Yes, ready, start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I appreciate and welcome the various steps taken by the government so far to arrest the increasing trend in the prices of several commodities. At the same time, sir, I feel that I would be feeling in my duty if I do not bring to the notice of the government the fact that the people at large are not satisfied with the results. No one can dispute the fact that there is general discontent among all sections of the community. Sir, in the last two budgets, our finance minister granted a number of concessions to the various industries. But I wish to point out that none of these benefits were passed on the consumers. Let us take the recent example, the tea planters of the country, particularly from the south, made a big hue and cry and got certain concessions from the government, but I do not think there is any reduction in the price of tea available in the shops. Let us also take the example of edible oil. Sir, there is no justification for the increase in the price of edible oil, particularly when we take note of the point that a huge quantity of edible oil has been imported in the country. And also in view of the prevailing prices of oil seeds, sir, the finance minister was good enough to invite suggestions from the members of this house. I would like to make one or two suggestions for his consideration, sir. For a very long time, the organized sector of the employees in this country, to whichever political ideology they belong, have been demanding that all industrial establishments in the country should be compelled to open fair price shops and sell essential commodities to their workmen at subsidized prices. It is these salaried employees sometimes who are prepared to pay any price demanded by traders, and as a result the prices are shooting up. If at least this section of the community was supplied with essential goods at reasonable prices, it will work as a means of arresting further increase in prices. Some cases the producers feel it will be profitable for them to suppress the production and sell those essential articles in black market and get enough profit. The producers should not be allowed to raise the prices unnecessarily where in an area there are short supplies stock.